Let's face the fact that it is one of the biggest challenges in the world of internet marketing. I'm talking about keeping your viewers engaged throughout your entire sales video. Study says 95% that most of your visitors spend only few seconds at your video and then immediately scroll down. And if you are losing 95% of your traffic, we cannot take away the fact of losing sales and, more importantly, money as well. See, that is a real problem right there. But that ends today. Introducing VidEngage. It is a powerful software to get more engagement to your videos. It automatically sticks your video into your viewer's screen every time they scroll down. And what's amazing is that call to action link is always included. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. At attention-grabbing videos and skyrocket sales and engagement. VidEngage is the only software of its kind that will let you add highly attractive and engaging video pop-ups that stick to a corner of your page and keep your audience engaged throughout the course of your pitch. Pick placements from any four corners. Our powerful software lets you select where you want the video to appear when the user scrolls down, and you can test it to see which one does better for you. You can even select how big or small you want the video to be. Add customized call to actions. One of the major reasons why VidEngage increases your sales and results is because it can add a customized call to action button that you can show above or below the video. When it floats upon scrolling, you can select from hundreds of Google fonts and any color you want. Use on unlimited sites. We'll normally only have limited site options after this special launch, but as of now, you can pick the option to use VidEngage on unlimited sites. We may never have this option again, so if you're thinking about this, don't. This is a stellar deal that may never come back again. Central control and dashboard. Once you generate the video code for your YouTube or Vimeo videos and add it to your sites, you can change the videos anytime you want, change the settings, position, call to action, almost every element from the central control dashboard, and you will not have to replace any code on any of your sites. It will automatically update without requiring any manual intervention from your end. Lifetime access. You'll see below we have monthly options for you to pick up VidEngage. But the third option is to get lifetime access to our amazing software. We will solely be offering monthly after a few weeks of running this special offer, and when this is gone, the only option you will have is monthly. So pick up the lifetime access now and get locked in at the extremely low price today. Download VidEngage now. How does it work? It is super easy to use. You don't need technical skills. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Create a video campaign by adding your video info. Step 2. Select where you want the video to appear. Step 3. Add a call to action button along with the video so visitors can take action. Step 4. Select your video size and autoplay option. Step 5. Grab the code VidEngage generates and put it on your site in the place of the main video, and boom, it's done. Or check the demo video, VidEngage Face Sales video from Brad Stevens on Vimeo. Good points. Gain more engagement. Amazing bonuses included. Responsive technical support. Bad points. Need stable internet connection to use. Need to contact support desk for any question. Conclusion. Don't lose any more sales. Make your visitors more engaged. Get your copy of VidEngage now.